This is a brief tutorial video on how to use the JetAI Reroute platform to help optimize your empty legs. So this is the operator side of the platform, and everything can be navigatable here from the left-hand column. So let's go ahead and click on Manage Your Fleet, and I'll show you how to add an aircraft. So right over here, we can add aircraft. We can put a tail number in here. Let's put 332 Papa Mike. We can add in an hourly operating cost. Everyone has a little bit different way in which they calculate their operating costs, so this is going to be specific to your operation. For this example, we'll use 2,500. We also have here the minimum segment cost. The minimum segment cost would be for that very short flight, 10, 15 minutes. What would be that minimum cost you would charge for that small repositioning? So for here, we will place $500. We'll do manufacturer year of 2020. A maximum of passengers allowed of 6, and we'll select a Honda Jet Elite S aircraft. Okay, so you can see here now that November 332 Papa Mike has been added to our fleet with all the information which we just entered. Next, I'll show you how to enter in an empty leg. So let's go in and we'll use our newly added aircraft, November 332 Papa Mike. We have an empty leg going from, let's say, San Diego Airport over to Provo. That empty leg, the begin time for that empty leg period, let's start at 5/25/2024 at 2 p.m. And the empty leg end time, or when it's ready to go to its next destination, we'll set that for 5/30/2024 at 12 p.m. That's it. Add your empty leg, and you can see that it is now added to the list. You can also upload, say you have several empty legs that you'd like to upload in a batch. You can also use this upload file feature here and upload it via a CSV file. Now let's take a look at inbound requests. So we entered in some requests here on our fleet that you can see here. We have one that is from Oakland to Tucson. So let's go ahead and see that request. Up here at the top, you can see the new rerouted route request. So again, Oakland down to Tucson at 9 a.m. And here is the empty leg that was published. So the original empty leg was from San Francisco over to Mesa on 226 Papa Mike. We have a total cost estimated of $6,020.49. and an incremental cost of $1,291.62. So what that is, that total cost is your initial empty leg flight, plus the incremental time in order to fulfill this reroute request. We can also then just add in here a quote for this rerouted flight. So we can see right here that our incremental cost would be $1,291.62. So we should at least try to cover that. And let's say that the quote for this rerouted trip would be $2,500. Now what's important here, we consider the total cost of the empty leg is already covered. So we're assuming that the empty leg has been already paid for by a previous or future ad hoc charter. So this would be an incremental revenue number that we're looking at to calculate here. And then all we have to do here is hit send. Are you sure you want to send this quote? Okay. And it's off here, and it's pending. So that will come back here to JetAI, and we will distribute that quote to the requester, and we'll go through the same type of quote acceptance process that you would normally see with ad hoc charter.